If the rooftop tent cannot open or close properly due to sudden power loss or other issues, please follow these reset steps. Step 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the voltage is 12 V and the current is at least 30 A. Step 2. Now we demonstrate how to reset the system. Let's simulate a power cut by disconnecting the power cable. Step 3. Reconnect the power supply. Step 4. Press the middle button on the remote control to wake up the screen. Step 5. Press and hold the middle button and the down button at the same time. For the updated version, just hold the middle button. Important, keep holding the buttons, do not release. Step 6. The tent will automatically lower all the way down. In older versions, the control box will beep once when fully closed. In the latest version, there is no beep. Once fully closed, the display will show 0.1 or 0.3. This means the reset was successful. You can now operate normally. To open, press the up button one time. To close, press and hold the down button.